How do you know your guna? That is, if you're tamasic, rajasic, or sattvic. Which planets in your horoscope influence your guna? What does each Parashara have to say about this? Namaskaraha, welcome to Jyotish Shastram channel and Astrobytes series. Astrobytes, as you know, are short videos on the knowledge from Sage Parashara's book of knowledge, Brihat Parashara Hora Shastram. In Astrobytes series, I have covered the first 3 chapters, and this video is about the 4th chapter, Graha Guna Swarupa Adhyayah. The first 10 verses of this chapter were covered previously. I will cover the next couple of verses in this video. As the name of the chapter suggests, Graha Guna Swarupa Adhyayah, these verses are about the planetary characteristics. Sage Parashara in this 11th verse says, Guru Shukrau Vipravarnau Kuja Arkau Kshatriyo Dvija Shashi Saumyau Vaishya Varnau Shanihi Shudro Vijotama. O Brahmin, the Varna of Jupiter and Venus is Brahmin. The Sun and Mars are Kshatriyas or royal grahas, while the Moon and Mercury belong to a commercial community and Saturn belongs to Shudra Varna. Varna is called caste in English. Unlike the popular understanding that the caste is set by the birth of the person in a certain community, these verses instead mean that the nature or the behavior or actions of the person determine the caste of that person. In earlier days, if the actions of the person was that of Brahmin, then that person was considered of Brahmin Varna. Here's a quick guide on what each Varna means. Brahmin Varna. Brahmin here means one who knows Brahma, that is a person who possesses great knowledge and is in an enlightened state. A synonym is Vipra, one who has dedicated his life to Almighty. He or she is considered of Brahmin Varna if the actions correspond to acquiring knowledge, studying, teaching. Other actions include being priests, intellectuals, inventing things for the benefit of humanity, and who leads a pure life. If Jupiter or Venus is exalted or in good positions in a horoscope, then that individual will have Brahmin Varna qualities. Kshatriya Royal Varna. Kshatriya. Kshatriya means one who defends. Soldiers or people who perform the role of internal and external defense of their country, or who are capable of punishing the wrongdoers. Such people are called Kshatriyas. Strong Mars and Sun in a horoscope will bring the predominance of Kshatriya quality. Vaishya Varna. The main function of a Vaishya is to execute trade and agriculture. A person engaging in trade, rearing cattle, doing agricultural work, leading a pure life, well read in the Vedas, engaged in feeding the world is considered Vaishya or the commercial community. Moon and Mercury bring about Vaishya Varna qualities. Shudra Varna, the person whose instinct is to serve others and who is content in serving others, is a Shudra or of the serving community. Other actions of Shudra include service loving, flattering others, engaged in low level activities. A strong Saturn brings out Shudra Varna qualities. In the next verse, Sage Parashara says to Maitreya, Satvika Bhanu Chandrejya, Rajasau Saumya Bhargavau, Tamasau Kujamandau Tu Swabhavo Gnayate Dvija. He addresses Maitreya and says, O Brahmin, the luminaries Sun, Moon, and Jupiter are Satvika Grahas. Venus and Mercury are Rajasika Grahas, while Mars and Saturn are Tamasika Grahas. To understand Grahas and Gunas, let me explain Gunas in detail. Sattva Guna or Satvika. Sattva Guna is considered pure, enlightening, where grief, depression, and evil qualities are destroyed and peace is obtained. A person with predominance of Sattva Guna rises above worldly matters, is occupied with the thoughts of absolute Brahma, is enlightened, peaceful, and joyful. Rajasika. Persons with the predominance of Rajoguna are called Rajasika. Rajoguna denotes desires, longings, attachment to worldly things. His actions will be in this direction. Even in charity, a Rajasika will expect manifold results. A Rajasika will be keen in enjoying worldly things, always thinking and planning ways of increasing wealth. Is frivolous, gives up righteousness, and hence has no peace. Tamasika. Tamoguna is darkness of intellect. absence of consciousness in the soul. Tamasika or Tamoguni is unable to differentiate between right and wrong, sleeps extensively, lacks desires to do any good, neglects duty, does not remember easily, lacks the power of understanding. If in a horoscope the luminaries or Jupiter are strong, then Sattvika Guna qualities are seen and will be enhanced in these dasha periods. Rajasika tendencies increase if Mercury or Venus is strong or during their dashas. Tamasika tendencies increase due to the influence of Mars or Saturn. We looked at what each varna means and which grahas represents these varnas, details of gunas and the corresponding grahas, and how it can help in the analysis of an individual's horoscope. In the next Astrobites video, I will cover the characteristics of each graha starting with Surya. I hope these verses from Sage Parashara provided awareness of these various aspects. With awareness comes insight, and I want you to develop Jyotish Shastram insight to plan your life better. Dhanyavadaha.